Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Daniel, and today I'm going to talk about why network support is important for PC repair. If you're a PC user, you probably know how frustrating it can be when your computer breaks down or gets infected by a virus. You might think that you can fix it yourself, or take it to a local shop, but sometimes that's not enough. You might need the help of a network support technician, who can remotely access your PC and troubleshoot the problem. Network support is a service that allows you to connect with a qualified professional over the internet, who can diagnose and fix your PC issues without having to physically touch your device. This can save you time, money and hassle, as well as prevent further damage to your PC. Network support can also help you with other tasks, such as setting up a backup system, installing software updates, optimizing your performance, and securing your data. In this video, I'm going to show you how network support works, what are the benefits of using it, and how to find a reliable network support provider. I'll also share some tips and tricks on how to make the most of network support, such as how to choose a network support plan that suits your needs and budget. There are different types of network support plans available, depending on the level of service, frequency of sessions, and duration of contracts. You should compare different options and see what works best for you. Some factors to consider are the number of PCs you need support for, the type of issues you encounter or anticipate, the availability and response time of the network support technician, the cost and payment method of the network support plan, the reputation and reviews of the network support provider, how to communicate effectively with your network support technician. Communication is key for a successful network support session. You should be clear and concise about your PC problem, and provide as much information as possible. You should also follow the instructions of the technician carefully, and ask questions if you don't understand something. You should also be respectful and courteous, and avoid interrupting or arguing with the technician. How to prepare your PC for network support and what to expect during the session. Before you start a network support session, you should make sure that your PC is connected to the internet, and that you have installed any software or tools required by the network support provider. You should also back up any important data or files that you don't want to lose. During the session, you should allow the technician to access your PC remotely, and monitor their actions on your screen. You should also be ready to answer any questions or provide any feedback that the technician might ask. How to follow up after the network support session and provide feedback. After the network support session is over, you should check if your PC problem is resolved, and if there are any changes or improvements in your performance. You should also test any new features or functions that were installed or configured by the technician. You should also provide feedback to the network support provider, either through a survey or a review. You should be honest and constructive about your experience, and mention any positive or negative aspects of the service. How to avoid common network support mistakes and scams. Network support is a great way to fix your PC issues, but it also comes with some risks and challenges. You should be careful and vigilant when choosing a network support provider, and avoid any suspicious or shady offers. Some signs of a scam are: the network support provider contacts you unsolicited or claims to be from a reputable company. The network support provider asks for personal or financial information or demands payment upfront. The network support provider uses scare tactics or pressure tactics to convince you to use their service. The network support provider performs unauthorized or harmful actions on your PC. I hope you now have a better understanding of why network support is essential for PC repair, and how to use it effectively. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.